Hi, I'm Ronald from Chirp. I'm here to give you a tour of the world's first non-profit solar panel factory in Pomona. Here at Locally Grown Power One, we're making a special kind of panel using idealPV technology. This panel uses quarter cells. A single string of quarter cells is going to simplify the production of solar panels here in America. These quarter cells are going to be placed into a single string of 240 cells in a typical frame, typical solar panel size. These magazines are what we use to load into the stringers, which we're going to talk about next. We'll walk you through how we make a solar panel, an idealPV panel. So what we're looking at here, these are the tabbing and stringing machines. They're automatic welding machines that take these quarter cells and string them together in the strings that we need for our panel. So we'll come back here and you can get a look at the inside of one of these machines. These are very complex and powerful machines. They're used in every solar panel factory in the country, as well as the Tesla Gigafactory to make batteries. Down here we have some conducting wire on spools. These are what's pulled across the panels and that links all the cells together. So let's see how we get some quarter cells. So we start with traditional solar cell. We load it into a magazine of this laser cutting machine. It goes in, it gets cut into 4 individual pieces. These 4 pieces are then stacked, put into a magazine, which is then carried over into the tabbing and stringing machine over here. So this laser cutter allows us to take a traditional solar cell and utilize it for idealPV technology. We can take almost any cell and use it for idealPV panels. This machine here allows us to cut our own backsheet and glue on site. We take a roll of glue and backsheet, EVA it's called, and we can cut it to the desired length. We make all that right here for the panel. Let's go around and see the tabber stringers. So just want to note that this facility is still under construction. It'll be ready in about a month. We're pulling electrical right now, so there's no power here, but we're just about ready to power this up. So you can see we're doing some work here. So on this side of the tabber stringer machine, the ribbon is put up here, it's pulled across these individual quarter cells right here. The quarter cells will go through a welder, come out the other side here, get cut to the desired length, and then placed on a piece of glass. This machine over here, this is auto layup situation, and if you see here we have a conveyor belt with the solar cells coming out. So they would leave this machine, go across, the glass comes underneath, and then they get laid up in this machine over here. So this is called auto layup. The glass will be underneath here, and this robotic arm will move around and accurately place the 240 quarter cells on the piece of glass. So after this step, we complete the process by hand using skilled labor and put the backsheet on. Put it over here on this machine. This is a very large machine. Heat hot oil to laminate the panels together. So 3 or 4 panels we put on this conveyor belt, and then it goes into this clamshell. It'll close for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, they come out the other end. They're cooled, they're trimmed, they're framed, and we put our appropriate electrical junction box on the back with the idealPV technology inside. So, and here's some behind the scenes into electrical, the world's first non-profit solar panel factory in Pomona. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you so much for joining us.